guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and today we have the video that so many of you guys have been requesting me. I did the unthinkable. I did my own highlights. Now this is something that I never thought I would do ever by myself because I'm terrified, but quarantine was happening. My hair was getting really long. I have jet black hair, and I posted a picture in my Instagram. For those of you who haven't followed me, please follow me in my link right here. I posted a picture on my Instagram with my new dog, Basil, and he's a Yorkie, so he's black with gold, and people said that his hair was just like mine, which it's cute, but at the same time, I don't want to be black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. So I figured out a way to make something out of nothing and try to make like the best of situation. And I use a Madison Reed at home highlight coloring. It's a Balayage hair coloring thing, but since I have highlights all around anyways that are like really grown, I was like, it's gonna work perfectly. Now, quick disclaimer, I have this, if you can see, they're pretty much like gold, like caramel gold. I knew that it was not gonna be this. It was such like a black and then strands of yellow and gold. I wanted to have some transition. If you want to see how I did this process, please stay tuned. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't to my video. Thank you. Let's go. So this is how it looks before my highlights. These are my roots, are very grown, and you can totally see the difference of the black and then like the highlighted areas. This is how it looks from afar. Not cute. Yeah. Now I'm wearing my shirt. It's Miami Heat Does It Better. My family's in Florida, so this is a kid. So it brings pretty much everything, and I just dropped the most important thing, but yeah, get that information. And first things first, I'm gonna divide my hair. I'm gonna do the upper part first. Put in a bun. Meanwhile, I separate my lower part. I'm not gonna do that area. And then just gonna take out that first part that I did before, and then I'm gonna separate it into two parts. Right in the middle, and put those in buns again. I have no ponytails, I'm sorry. I only have Invisibubbles, and I don't want to damage them with that. Ta-da! Now let's put on one of the gloves that the kid brings, and I'm gonna put the lightening cream and mix it with the lightening activator, and I'm just going to put the cream in the activator, squeeze it, it's last drop, and I'm going to shake for about a minute. I was listening to music here, so I apologize. There's still gonna be some like residue in the nozzle, so you squeeze it until it comes out purple. That's when it's ready to use. Put a timer for 20 minutes, and the key is to do all this coloring processing in those 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna get that wishbone, and I'm going to separate the first part of my hair, starting from the bottom in like a diagonal kind of way. And I'm going to put back the rest in a bun, and I'm gonna put the contents of the bottle in that wishbone. Trying to make it thick and juicy. And I'm going to do it like 2 inches from my scalp. I think that's 2 inches. And I'm not going to go over my already highlighted hair because I don't want to damage it, and it's already decolored, so what's the point? So it's pretty much like the roots, and trying to blend it in with the pieces that are already highlighted. I'm going to continue. Now I really want that like strands, the first strands to be a little bit lighter. So I'm just gonna take it with my finger and I'm just going to cover it so it looks a little more trendy so it can frame my face better. That's it for one side. And this is the other side. This is what I did on the other side. Again, I didn't touch my back part, just the front. And try to blend it with my highlighted areas. And I let it for 30 more minutes. And after that, I washed it off. And I used the Bond Building Cleansing Treatment and left it on for 3 minutes. After rinsing, I towel dried my hair. And I proceed to use my Tangle Teezer to detangle as much possible. And again, I put one of the gloves that the kit brings and I use the toning glaze and mix it in with a toning glaze activator. The shade I use is Ardenza Warm Caramel. It's 2.5. That's the color that my highlights are gonna be. Now shake it for 20 to 30 seconds. And I pretty much just put it all over my hair. By the way, I put my glasses because I couldn't read. Pretty much saturate all your hair. Make sure it's coated evenly. I feel like I'm applying ketchup to my hair or mayonnaise to my hair, but it's so fun. After that, I'm going to use my Tangle Teezer to distribute the toning glaze and make sure that it's all covered in my hair, that it's going to tone all the highlights that I just did to it. I'm going to take the cap that the kit brings and I'm going to put my hair in a bun and I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes. And the last step is to just rinse it off and finish with the shampoo and conditioner that kit brings. So there you have it. That's the process, but this is the final result. I don't know if you can actually see it on camera. It actually shows more in real life. Again, I didn't want to go like from black to blonde. That's why I chose like a caramel color. If you can see it, it blends more with my ends, which are golden color. So you can see this part here. First of all, if you can see, I have a lot of hair, and the products were enough, like for my hair and my length, and just like my amount of hair. I usually, when I get my highlights, I have to use 2 tubes of toning and colors and all these things. The lady always had to like prepare more bleach for me. So this kit was like exact perfectly. Like it had 3 pairs of gloves, which is awesome. And I did like that it had its own bonding little kit for my hair. Everything pretty much that you need, it's already included. So that's pretty awesome. You don't have to think or worry about other things. Like the wishbone is pretty cool. I did like the result. It makes you like a little, again, I don't know if you can see it on this light or in camera, but it starts from here. So like, because it says that you're supposed to like leave 2 inches from the root to where you start lightening. So it starts from, you can see it from here. This is where I start, again here. And I just wanted to do that like all the way here. Because again, like this is pretty much where like my roots were at right now. And you can see all of this is like the lightened one. But I really like, for me as a black haired girl, I was able to lift it pretty well, you know, without using ammonia, which is awesome. And it's very like beginner friendly. You know, this made it like amazing. It's so wet because I did in the shower, but this was an amazing guide for me to do it step by step. Madison Reed was really awesome to give me a discount code for you guys in case you also want to try it at home. It's going to be down below. Mine was of an emergency and I had to do something because I did not like that black here and then yellow here. No. So this one makes it like more blend in and gives me some more time for me to get a couple of more months for me to actually get it from to a salon and start it from the roots. It's a great way to maintain your hair. Plus, I didn't feel like I got that much damage from it, which is awesome because that's always the scary part. That's what I've told you guys, that I only bleach my hair every once a year. Okay. That was it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Let me know if you like this sweatshirt, by the way. I bleach dyed myself, or is that how it's called? Bleach dye? Bleach, whatever. And I did like a two-piece, but the pants were in a different black color. So this one has a different base from the other one, and the other one looks more gray, like kind of like a muted orange, and this one looks like cooler, like, you know, cool acid orange. So let me know if you like it. It's like a crop top type of thing, you can see. But I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you very much. Hope you're safe and sound.